Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve our next SQL LeetCode challenge. So let's start. The challenge means the question title is rising temperature. So let's go through it. First, I will go to the sample input table. So we have a weather table in which three columns we have ID, record date and temperature. Okay, what is the question? Write a solution to find all dates ID. Okay, with the higher temperatures compared to its previous date yesterday. Okay, so we have to compare only two dates, today's date and yesterday's date. If today's temperature is greater than yesterday's temperature, then today's date's ID we have to return. What I mean is, see, this is your table. Okay, we will target this date. What it is? 2nd of January. Just imagine today is 2nd of January. Yesterday it was 1st of January. So check the today's temperature. Today is 2nd of January and the temperature is 25. Yesterday it was 1st of January and the temperature was 10. So today's temperature 25 is greater than yesterday's temperature 10. So we have to return this date's ID. What is ID? 2. So in the output, if you check, we got 2. Got it? So we have to find out today's date and yesterday's date combination. And accordingly, we have to compare their temperature. Okay. So how to find out today's and yesterday's date now? See here. If this is your today's date, today is 2nd of January. This is your yesterday's date. How many number of day difference we have between these two dates? 2nd of January, 1st of January? 1 day, correct? So how to find out the day difference? Very simple it is. See here, everyone. If I write select date difference, today's date is 2015, 0102. Today is 2nd of January and yesterday it was 2015 0101. So 2015 01, what I have written? 2025 I have written. Oh my God. So 2015 I should write. Okay, got it. 1. So the number of day difference between today's and yesterday's date is 1. So wherever the difference is 1, guys, we will compare two dates. Wherever difference is 1, they both are today's and yesterday's date. Do remember, difference must be 1. And the first parameter of date difference is the today's date. This is today. And the second parameter is yesterday. Yesterday date we will pass over here. And if today and yesterday, two dates difference, if it is 1, then we will compare their temperature. Okay. So let's write the query. See, this is your weather table which they have given. Okay. Now we will perform the cross join. Only one table we have. Okay. So in joins, only one table will be involved. So for this table, I will give the temporary name as a today. Okay. Select everything from weather. Temporary name is today. Cross join. What is the second table? Same table. Weather. The temporary name is yesterday. That's all. So whichever the type of join you are performing, either it is a cross join, inner join, left join, right join. If right side and left side same table is present, that is what we call it as a self join. Self join is not a separate type of join. Whichever the type of join you are performing, left side is weather table, right side is also weather table. So you are performing join on the same table, that is your self join. Okay. So I have performed cross join. What cross join does? I guess you already have learned. Each record will be compared, will be matched with other records. See, this first record 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This first record got compared with 1, 2, 3, 4. See, this is the combination. For example, let me show over here. This is your weather table today and yesterday. So this first row compared with each record of second table. See, 1 will be there for this 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, this 2 second row will be compared with 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 will be returned with 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? 4 record will be returned with 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is how cross join will be performed. So we have told select everything from both the tables. So see, select all the 6 columns we got from the both tables, because after performing joins, total 6 columns will be there. Okay. Okay, so cross join we have performed. Now this record date. This is my today's table, guys. First 3 columns are of today's table, and second 3 columns are of yesterday's table. Okay. So this record date we will compare with this record date. Is the difference 1? Leave about year and month. Check date. Date is 4. Here date is 1. 4 minus 1. Difference is 4 minus 1, it is 3. So difference is not 1. Next, 3 minus 1, difference is 2. 2 minus 1, difference is 1. So wherever difference is 1, guys, see, today is 2nd of January. Yesterday it was 1st of January. So check today's temperature. Is it 25? Yes. And yesterday's temperature was 10. So 25, today's temperature is greater than 1st of January, yesterday's temperature. So today's date's ID means 2 we should return. That's all. So out of multiple records, we need only those records where the date difference is 1. Okay. So here I'll just write, you don't give all the records on. What is the condition? Check the date difference between 2 dates. Today dot record date and yesterday dot record date. If the difference is equal to 1, you return them. Otherwise, don't return. So if you wanted to check this, see what I can do is, I'll just give this here. Okay. Now let me show you the output. See, if you wanted to get the table query, this table, if you want to execute with me only, in the description, I have given the one document. From there, copy the table creation query. You will be getting this table. So now I will execute this code. Now see the date difference, everyone. This date and this date, number of difference is 3, because 4 minus 1, it is 3. Next, 3 minus 1, it is 2. Check date only. 3 minus 1, 2. Next, 2 minus 1, it is 1. So wherever it is 1 date difference, only those records I want, because those are today's and yesterday's records. Okay. So that's why I'm telling on. Condition is, if this date difference is exactly equal to 1, you return only those records. Now if I execute this query, see, date difference is 1. Now you compare, guys. See, today is 2nd of January. 2nd of January. Yesterday it is 1st of January. Today it is 3rd of January. Yesterday it is 2nd of January. Today it is 4th of January. Yesterday it was 3rd of January. So we got today, yesterday, today, yesterday. So now what we have to check? Today's temperature, yesterday's temperature, today's, yesterday's. So if today's temperature is greater, we will return the ID. Okay. So now I don't want all the records. We'll give the condition wherever today dot temperature, if it is greater than yesterday dot temperature, you return only those records. Now check today's temperature greater than yesterday. Today's temperature greater than yesterday. Now what you want to return? These columns you want to return? No, only ID we need, right? So today's ID, today's date's ID you should return, not these IDs, guys. Okay. This is today's date. This is yesterday's date. Today's temperature is greater than yesterday. So today's date's ID is 2. So we will write it here. I don't want to return this. Return today dot ID. That's all. We got the table 2 and 4 in the output. That is what they are expecting. So I will copy this part. See the sample output. It is 2 and 4, correct? So I will paste it here. Make sure you have selected MySQL. Okay, we'll run this. That's all. This is the answer. And yes, all the test cases got executed. Let me submit also. I'm going to show you one simple PPT, guys. So be there in the video. Done. So now see how the query got executed. So these are the two tables, today and yesterday. We targeted two columns, record date. So this is the condition, date difference, today's record date and yesterday's record date difference must be 1. So the first record date will be matched with this. Is the difference 1? No. Check date, guys. 1 minus 1, difference is 0. In the similar way, we will go to the next row. Is 1 minus 2 difference is 1? No. 1 minus 3 difference, minus 2. 1 minus 4 difference, minus 3. So for this date, 1st of January, there is no yesterday's date. See, for 1st of January, yesterday's date means in December, guys. Do we have? No. So that's why there is no date difference with difference 1. Okay, that's all. Now next, second row, we will compare. Is difference 1? Yes. So for this, see, here 2 minus 1, difference is 1. So for this temperature is 25. For this temperature is 10. So is 25 greater than 10? Yes. So this is the today's date, right? This ID we have written in the output like this. Clear? So in the similar way, we will compare with other records. See, difference is not 1, difference is not 1, difference is not 1. Done. So third record, see, this we compared with all the records. This we compared with all the records. Now third row, we have to compare with all the record dates. So let's start. We will compare with first 3 minus 1, difference is 2. 3 minus 2, difference is 1. So we will compare the temperature. 3 is today's temperature. This is today's temperature, 20. We will compare with 25. Is 20 greater than 25? No. So we will not return anything. Next, 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 4, minus 1. So there is no difference, 1. So last record. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 2, see date. 4 minus 2, this date. It is 2. 4 minus 3, 1. So this temperature we have to collect 30 and from this table temperature is 20. Who is greater? 30 is greater. So for this 4 ID we have to return in the output. That's all, guys. So what is our query? This was our query. Clear, everyone? How the queries will be executed? So you should know how the cross join works. Then and then only you can solve the queries. So this is all about this video, guys. I hope you like the approach, the way we have solved the question. So you also understand the concept properly and then start solving the question. We'll meet in the next video with the new challenge. Until then, take care all of you and have a good day to all. Thank you, everyone.